Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word longest. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Great Wall of China is considered to be the longest man-made structure in the world. Longest is used to describe something that has the greatest length or duration in comparison to others, indicating the most extended distance or time. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.